Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a little bit of like a lipstick swatch and I guess haul, chat, whatever you want to call it. What does that say? Oh. And the lipsticks we are going to be messing with are these Wow lipsticks. I don't know if you can, that I found at my pharmacy. So my mom sent me to go and fill a script, and obviously because life, man, I like things a lot, so I ended up in the makeup section of the pharmacy by my house, and I saw these lipsticks and I was like, oh cool, so I swatched them and I was like, ooh. So I bought two and then I went back the next day and I bought like the rest except for one. So the lipsticks, they come in 9 colors. The one I left behind was, I think, color 59. It was like a bright pink. I don't wear pink, so it doesn't really do much for me. So I decided, stuff the pink. And I got the other 8. I know. So for all 8, in total I paid 319 rand 20 cents. 8 lipsticks, guys. 8. Honestly, I think that's a great bargain right there. 8 lipsticks, guys. Like, what? I was shook, and also I had just finished my exam and I was like, you know what? I'm going to treat myself. I'm going to be happy. I'm going to go buy things that I want. So I did. But we're just gonna do some quick lip swatches so you guys can see the colors, because I got 8 of them, except for because I didn't want that pink, guys. Wow. And I'm just gonna put them on. I'm gonna take them off with a wipe because I don't really want them staining. We're gonna start light to dark just to be sure that there'll be no staining. First color is this one. This is color 14. It's a nude. Let's go. Here's the color. This is color 14. Ooh. I didn't think I'd like this color because it's so light, and I guess I've never really looked at myself and been like, yeah girl, you go get that nude, that light one, that one that's, I always look for like brownie nudes, and this looks a bit more like a pinky nude. This color 45. It's also sort of in like the nudish family, but not quite, but like yes, but like no, but like yes. Ooh. No, I'm in love. Look at me. Next one we're going in with is color 48. The next color we are going in with is color 42. The next one we are going to use, this one, it is color 51. It's like a plummy purple looking color. This is a nice color. This, wow. It's actually a pun, wow, because it's Wow Cosmetics. Yeah, ignore me. I don't know if you guys can see, but your girl's lips have definitely been stained. So the lipsticks do, I guess, leave like a stain. that is there. I mean, it's not a horrible stain or anything like that. It's just your girl was very clever in starting with the light colors, because ooh, I'm not sure how, you know, that would have worked out otherwise. Here we've got color 17. So I think it's definitely like one of those dark reds. It's like 29. I think that they could stand to probably add a bronze brown, because guys, brown is, as far as I'm concerned, like it's one of those staple, you know, lipstick colors that you need. You know, you need like a nude, you need like a brown, you need red. Staples, guys, staples. Last but not least, we have color 26, which is this deep purple that I'm super excited to try. Like the amount of layers I had to put on to get it to look like this, I'm kind of like, is it worth it? Unless like I feel like the look needs it. But then even then, I have Cyber from MAC. I think also Cyber is literally the only purple I've owned that doesn't I guess apply patchy, that you don't have to keep, you know, going and clicking to even it out, and I don't know what it is about purples. Like I can never find, like, I can never find a super easy purple. Like, easy? What is that? We're gonna chat a little bit about the lipsticks. I don't think they're meant to be completely matte. I think they're meant to be matte adjacent. And for that, I think they're great. They're nice, man. They feel great when you apply them. It's very, like, it feels very buttery. It's very smooth. It doesn't feel like it's gonna suck all the moisture from your lips. You know, like liquid lipsticks, when you put them on, you're just like, but I mean, it looks like, ooh, but you're like, these ones, none of that. Obviously, you can even see the shine. Shine, shining, 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 shining. Yeah, but overall, I think I would rate them like an 8 out of 10 as a whole, based only on the fact that majority of the lipsticks have really great like opacity and pigment and whatnot. It's just, I guess, this purple that I had to keep going on with, and that red's red that comes off just like a little bit sheerer than I would personally prefer, or that I would personally like. But all the other ones are great in terms of like payoff, and I think in terms of the price point, they're also just amazing, guys. It's 40 bucks a lipstick. I think they look nice. Maybe I'm biased because it's on my face, but I like them. And I don't even know what to tell you guys. I like them. I would buy them. They are Wow Cosmetics lipsticks, in case I didn't say that, although I'm pretty sure I did. But yeah, 8 out of 10. They're beautiful, they're pigmented, and I guess if the 9 lipsticks are the only lipsticks they have, because I'm not sure if it is, I only saw the 9 at my pharmacy, but if they are the only ones they have, then for me personally, like their color range is very much a me kind of color range, minus that like pink that I didn't buy, because I would consider them sort of staple colors, you know, that people tend to need. The purple might not be a staple for like everyone. So nice, so nice. I know that I usually see Wow Cosmetics and their stuff in pharmacies, so I rate you could probably just check whatever pharmacy is near you and you should be able to find them. If not, excuse me. So that's all I have to say. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for coming back. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Anyways, it'll make me super happy and it's not gonna hurt you. All you gotta do is hit that button. My face should pop up on the screen some way. Hit that thing and that is how you are going to subscribe to me. So nice, so easy, so quick. Guys, do it. Also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I am uploading, whenever I'm doing the things. Subscribe, guys.